don't be using automatic transmission fluid in here. There's the stuff you get. I already know, I've just checked it. There must be a little leak somewhere because it's below the level of the dipstick. So I'll just put that there for now. And open this up with my one spare hand and just pour it in. I am on a slight incline, so just scrunch up. And can't actually read what it's saying on there now. And it's on the maximum now. See, it's just come up. That was a pretty good guess actually. It's just come up to the maximum. Might be slightly over, slightly under because I'm on a tiny little gradient here. But anyway, for car lovers in the UK, ignore this little brand name at the top there. Just get it from wherever you can get it from. Central hydraulic fluid, not automatic transmission fluid. And that's for 2009 E70 X5D twin turbo diesel. Look at my nice, lovely new throttle body. There's going to be a whole thing on that at a later date. But there you go, guys. That's how you change or top up the power steering. The only thing left to do, or what I was always told back in the day, I don't know what it didn't record. Anyway, I did a couple of turns lock to lock, and it hasn't really dropped it down. Anyway, that will do. That's it for this one with the power steering fluid.